having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. Let me know down below how you guys are doing. In today's video, I am going to be doing another segment of Someone Does My Lush haul. You guys seem to really enjoy these videos, and now my dad wants to get on board. Now, this isn't my dad's haul. He just told me the other day that he wants to do my Lush haul, so that will come eventually, don't you worry. However, today, my boyfriend's brother's girlfriend, aka Kayleigh, did my Lush haul for me. Now, she went around Lush with her boyfriend Stefan, who's Ryan's brother, and they kind of had a smell of everything. They went around the whole shop, they took their time. I am so excited. I haven't even peeked. They even taped the bag together so I wouldn't even peek. So I'm gonna dive in. I am so excited. I think she spent about £22 to £23, so that is what's in this bag. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so I'm sticking my hand in the bag and I'm pulling things out at random. So the first thing we have, oh, okay, I haven't used this in years. This is very exciting, actually. I'm actually loving it already. You're doing a great job, Kayleigh. But this is the Aroma Water Toner Water. Now, I used to use this and the tea tree one all the time when I worked there. And ingredients-wise, it's lavender water, rose water. I think that's pretty much it. And it's got a really beautiful smell. Oh, it smells so good. It's so relaxing and gentle, and I absolutely love Lush's toners. I rarely buy them, if I'm honest, just because, if I'm being honest, they are a bit more expensive than your average toner. But I really like that she's picked this up because I haven't used this in so long, and I really love this. I will just get the price up. Give me 1 second. So price-wise, for a 100-gram bottle, which is this size, it is £7, or you can buy the 250-gram bottle, which is £14. So this one is £7, and I do really like these. Like I said, I don't tend to buy them because they are a lot more pricey than your average toner, but I do really like the way my skin feels and looks when I use the Lush ones. So I'm so glad to have one of these in my collection because I don't actually have any of these on the go at the moment, so I'm very thankful and I love that. Moving on. Oh, this is so fun. Honestly, you guys need to get somebody to do your Lush haul because it is the best thing ever. Oh, okay, what is this? I'm so excited. Okay, ready? What have we got? Oh, okay, we have the Bohemian Soap. Absolute classic. I really like this. I have used this before quite a few times. My parents really like this too. And this is a lemon soap, so I will open it so you guys can see. Bear with me a min. So this is what Bohemian Soap looks like. It smells so good. Oh my God. Like, I want to eat that. That smells so good. It's a very sour lemon smell. Oh, it's unreal. Let me just get the ingredients up 1 second. So ingredients wise in this one, we have rapeseed oil, coconut oil, water, lemon oil. That's basically it. And price wise for 100 grams, it's £4.50. So that is what it looks like. It's really kind of oily. You can definitely feel the moisturising kind of properties to this soap. But it's so good. I absolutely love it. Can I stop sniffing it? No. Anyway, we're going to have to move on because otherwise I'm going to be here all day smelling that. So, moving on. I got it up my nose. Yay. Okay, the next item we have this one. Ooh, okay. This, I believe, I don't want to ruin it. Okay, this is one of the charity pot coins with the little paw print on it. Oh, I love that. So these are really great. These are solid body lotions, so you just melt it into the skin, and I really like the Charity Pot moisturiser. It is so good and incredibly moisturising, and you just rub it into the skin. Oh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like baby powder, like a really gentle creamy smell. So good. So ingredients wise in this little guy, we have got cocoa butter, aloe gel, shea butter, Japan wax, jojoba oil, olive oil, moringa oil, geranium oil, rosewood oil, ylang ylang oil, and vanilla absolute and gardenia extract. Loads of beautiful ingredients, and the good thing with these is they are only £1, so an absolute bargain, and they are so incredibly moisturising. It's actually melting in my fingers. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know whether I'm going to be able to show you how moisturising that is, but if I literally just rub it onto my skin, and it kind of melts into the skin like that, and you just rub it in like a lotion. It's so good. Oh, incredible. So I believe that we have 2 items left. So sticking my hand in, what have we got? Let's go for this one. We have, oh, okay, we have the Orangutan bath bomb. This is a brand new bath bomb, which I will read up upon now. Give me 1 second. So this one is £4, and it has black pepper oil, patchouli oil, and vanilla. So it does smell Basically exactly the same like Lord of Misrule. It has got a nut oil in there, which I do think makes it smell slightly different. Am I going crazy? Probably, but it does smell really, really good. And the good thing with this one is that I believe all the proceeds will probably be going to the Orangutans charity, which is linked in the description on the website. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you do. But yeah, this is so cute. And it smells so good. Oh, love it. Love it. And last but definitely not least, we have something in a pot, and that is, drumroll please, oh, okay, we have the Gummy Bear Shower Jelly. Now, I actually didn't buy one of these. When I did it in my haul, it was actually for my mum. So I'm so glad to have one of these because this is so cute and it smells incredible. So I'm going to have to show you guys what it looks like. It is seeping out the lid, which is not ideal. Oh, so cute. Can you guys see it? It's a little tiny bear. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. It smells like gummy bears, like, no, not gummy bears, like jelly babies. Oh, it's so good, honestly, and he's so cute. I'm not going to get him out because I feel like he is very moist. Yeah, wet, disgusting. But so cute, look at his little face. Oh, it smells so good. And ingredients-wise in this one, we have got coconut milk, carrageenan extract, mango juice, buchu oil, cardamom oil, cuba oil, sweet wild orange oil, water, and gardenia extract. And I am really, really thankful to have this because I was actually really jealous that mum had one and I didn't. So I'm really, really happy to have this. Thank you, Kayleigh. Fab job. I will just get the price of this actually. So the price of this one is £5.50. Definitely worth it. Smells incredible, and I would love to have this fragrance in more kind of categories around Lush because it's so good. It's definitely mango-y now I think about it. It has got like a mango kind of smell to it, so amazing. So that is everything for this Lush haul. Let me know down below in the comments how you thought Kayleigh did. Give her points out of 10 and let me know down below. I think personally she deserves at least a 9.5, and the only reason she lost half a point is because I have had this soap before quite a few times and fairly recently. I do love it. It's so good. But she only loses half a point because I had that recently, because everything else I've either not tried or I haven't had in a very long time. So I'm so excited for this. I love everything. Thank you so much, Kayleigh, for taking part. And if you guys want to check out her wax melt business, I will leave it down below. I've done a whole video on it before, but she does do some Lush fragrances as well. So check her out as well if you haven't. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.